Hi, everyone. My name is Garth Fisher, Senior Solutions Engineer at Martello, and thank you for joining me for another use case video. Today, I'll be talking about Teams connectivity to the PSTN and how you can monitor its quality of service for your users. You know that Teams Phone relies on your network, of course, but also on multiple third-party providers such as the SBC provider, the SIP trunk provider, the ISP, and Microsoft, of course. Now, given all this, let's see how you can easily monitor and troubleshoot the Teams PSTN connectivity service. So the first thing is to have an overview of the situation to prioritize where you focus your attention. For that, we're going to jump into one of our dashboards that shows the PSTN connectivity for the entire company. So two gauges provide you with an overview of the PSTN service call quality delivered to the users with the success rate and the good call rate. You can see the poor call reason as well for your direct routing or calling plan that you can correlate with the connection type. For example, you see Wi-Fi here, or the ISP to have a better understanding of why issues are happening. You can also zoom in on the map here to have a precise data per location to assess the quality of the network, the quality of the calls, and the root cause of the issues. But if you want to check the service for a particular user, you'll just need to use the Teams user dashboard and put the person's name in, for example, Alain Dubois, as you see here. Now we see exactly how he is using Teams voice and what are the main root causes for his issues. But let's say now you want to understand, want to troubleshoot a specific call for this guy, checking all the parameters and maybe discover that the SBC was not working as expected. For that, we'll switch to our alert discovery feature and we will look for the direct routing call for Alain. So here we've just switched to our analytics board and I've already filtered on Alain. So now we can go in and find alerts just for Alain as you see here. So let's take a look at what we have in here. So by opening this up and looking at more of the details, you can see here that the PSTN final code was SBC could not fulfill the request due to some unexpected condition, and it was direct routing. So now you have enough information to get to your telephony team to ask them what happened with the SBC. However, if you want to be more proactive, checking, for example, if your offices are well connected to the SBC or if there's any network latency connecting you to the SIP trunk provider, you can use our network path analysis feature. So here you can see it's checking on several different items here as well. And one of them will be the Oracle SBC if you want to look into that. So let's see, actually, let's just get rid of these. And go home. So if you want to be more proactive, checking, for example, if your offices are well connected to the SBC, or if there's any network latency connecting to you to the SIP trunk provider, you can use our network path analysis feature that you see here. For example, we can look at our SBC and see right away if we have any latency issues from our main remote site to connect to it. So these are the results that I've already expanded. And you can basically see anywhere that latency could be coming from. You can then cross-reference this information with your network monitoring team or correlate it directly in Vantage DX if you have configured the integration of your infrastructure monitoring data. So as usual, all this information can be used to create a service incident in ServiceNow. So now let's come back to our main dashboard to finish off this video. So at the end here, the PSTN connectivity dashboard, you can see the information related to your SIP trunk carrier, showing the usage of it and the number of issues that are related to each one, and etc. At this point in time, we're actively working on incorporating the data coming from your SBC, whether it is health, performance data, or call detail records into our future dashboards. What we're also doing is that we're working on SIP trunk synthetic transaction testing that will also continuously tell you if your users can use the SBC and connect to the SIP trunk carrier to perform Teams phone calls. Well, I want to thank you for listening. I hope it was interesting and that you now know how to efficiently monitor and improve the Teams phone user experience. Stay tuned for more information and thank you for watching this video.